Hello BNB lovers! So in this video I will be showing you how to make salon quality gel nails right in the comfort of your own home. So for this procedure I will be using this manicure set that I got from the Wish app. So this whole set costs around $25 and it even comes with a UV lamp that is needed to cure your gel polish. The first step in this process is to push your cuticles backwards. After you have completed this step for each nail, you then file your nails in the shape that you desire. Once that is done, use the buffing block to remove the natural shine from your nails. This also gives the gel a texture to stick to. The next step is to use alcohol or any basic nail polish remover to remove any oils, grease, dirt or particles that are left on your fingernails. Once your nails are clean, it is time to apply your foundation coat. This is also called the base coat, but make sure that you apply each layer as thin as possible. Once this is done, it is time to cure your nails. So this is when the UV lamp comes into play. Remember, you can only dry your gel nails using a UV lamp. And there isn't a set time to cure your nails. It all depends on the kind of lamp you're using. It depends on the thickness of your gel polish. But for my nails, I like to set my foundation coat for 90 seconds. So once your foundation coat is cured, it is time to apply your gel polish. For this procedure, I am going with a very natural light summer color. Once done, cure your nails for about 2 minutes depending on the intensity of your UV lamp. And I would suggest you apply an extra layer of gel polish in order to cover any imperfections from the first layer. Once all your nails are polished and cured, it is time to apply your top coat. The final step in this process is treating your cuticles. Your hands just went through a major operation, if you know what I mean. So right now we are just going to apply cuticle oil around your cuticles and massage the oil around your cuticle area and let it sit for a few minutes. And voila, you have your salon quality gel nail polish. And with proper maintenance, this can last you up to 4 weeks, if not longer. I hope you find this video helpful, and I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel for more videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. I'll catch you again on my next video. Bye for now.